What's up, guys? It's February 12th, 2024. Pretty good day in the markets. We had a lot of moves, multiple breakouts. We'll go over the first 6 bars, then we'll go over the market cycle. We're going to go over the first 6 bars, the rest of the bars in their context, but especially how the first 6 bars tell us what's going to happen for the rest of the day. Then we'll go over the market cycle and then the legs, and then put a ribbon on it. So bars 1 through 6, it was above the EMA, a little more, it's more rangy because of the wicks, but the context I was looking at was kind of, I'm moving the chart around too fast right there. Kind of like a head and shoulders reversal, and that's just like slang for failed breakouts. So it would be failed breakout, and then failed breakout, or I guess using the price action to be 1, 2, and 3. So it's more rangy, but it's also has more bullish pressure. Here's the gap right there. So however, after that, bars 7 through 10, we get three legs down. 1, 2, 3. That's a wedge bottom, and we break out back into the EMA. I'm trying to focus my eyes on the market cycle and then the type of breakout we have, and then the legs within that breakout would be how I would place a trade. So and why I said this is a breakout is because a reversal is a breakout. So bears try and get the breakout and fail, and bulls get a reversal. This can be on a 1, 2, 3, 4 on like a 25-minute chart. This can be a reversal bar, a 1-bar reversal, and then bulls start collecting strong bars above the EMA. So the context for getting long, I think, is pretty good, with yesterday's context being a bull day. We have a strong breakout. This is a buy the close rally. It's good to just buy anything small and put your stop down here. I'm trading the micros, so if I was trading the Emini, I would definitely not recommend putting a 10-point stop. That's a lot of money. Bar 17 is strong breakout, and they get followed through with bar 18. Bar 19 is the first pullback. So we've officially had an opposite bar. So this is leg 2, and that's also the channel phase. It goes breakout, channel, trend, and we can literally see this entire market cycle right here. The market cycle goes, so we have the breakout, first pullback, and now we're in channel, and channel just means after strong breakout that there's a pullback. So the bears have entered the market, they're getting trapped, and we get another breakout. This could be a buy vacuum, and then we range. So talking about the first 6 bars of the day, bullish price action, small pullbacks, and we close at the highs. Bullish price action, small pullbacks, and we are back in that range, kind of closing at highs. And then from the market cycle perspective, breakout, channel. We might not know, so you might think this is a fresh breakout, but if we look at the price action after it unfolded, so this actually became a range, right? So then now we could put the pieces together. Breakout, channel. The range actually started here before we knew about it, because the market's transitioning. So the range started here, and then look, the market cycle resets with a strong breakout. So breakout, breaking out, strong enough for a leg 2 move, and it's a breakout. The market cycle is adding up with the context to get short. Any of these bars I think is a good short. I was short around here. I was short here. I actually tried to long in case we were range bound, and I hit out and reversed quickly. So from market cycle, we are breaking out. Strong breakout resets the market cycle. First pullback, we're officially in a channel, and first reversals fail on a strong trend. So I got short here because this is a lot of selling pressure. This is a low 2, and I got short. So bear flag, this ended up being very climactic, and it came a leg 1, second leg trap, but they got their move. Insane how that's met, huh? You could even do it from up here, it's met. You could do it from the bottom of there, it's met. So that ended up being a leg 2 trap. I will say for months now, every time we come close to the higher time frame EMA, that it becomes a buy. I got trapped going short again, looking for I thought this would be strong enough to get its own second leg, but it ended up being a second leg trap. The market goes range bound. So we literally can see the market cycle from the bulls and bears perspective. Here's the market cycle for the bulls: breakout, channel, range. Here's the market cycle for the bears: breakout, channel, range. I mean, excuse me, breakout channel range. So the market cycle is resetting. The next time we get a breakout, it'll reset, and then we look for the channel, and then we trade it how we're supposed to. So the leg. I talked about the market cycle a lot, so I'm just gonna skip officially talking about the market cycle. We'll go over to leg 1, leg 2 moves. Strong breakout here. I also went for a scalp right here. I thought this was a good scalp. I scalped, I think, this bar. No, I didn't. No. I was out. Yeah, this was a bar scalp. That was more scalpy over here. Yeah, so pretty good moves, pretty good scalps. Leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1 starts at the bottom of bar, bottom of bar 10, all the way to high of bar 17. I didn't take the wicks, and it was met on bar 23. It became climactic. If you were looking for a breakout, actually I had this up, and I thought this was really interesting. I didn't play it because I didn't believe it was going to happen, but it happened. So when I was shading, I was like, let me see. We had a strong bull trend. I want to see what the 50% level is going to look like. So I just rough estimated it, but can you guys see the PT forming already? Hold on, I want to make sure you guys see this. No, that's not the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. Extend it to the right. Okay. So when we get a strong trend, usually the market wants to come to 50%, finds buyers in this case, and goes. So if this is 50%, this would be the breakout range. Like if we were to break out this range, we would look for the 50% of this and project it. And that was actually met here. So I didn't trade it to here because I didn't really think it was going to go that far, but it did. So that was really interesting. And from a higher time frame perspective, it also met that daily target. It came like one tick below that daily target. That was put in, we found that target right here on the 7th. So now it was met. I'm gonna delete it and we'll wait for a new daily target. I thought that was like really cool to see. Touching the EMA again. We've touched it quite a few times. We've got a wedge top here now. I'm gonna delete that. We don't need it. Here's that wedge top on the 45-minute. Maybe it looks a little bit better right there. And we met the measured move, so maybe it's time for a sell. We're at the high of the week. We have CPI. We had CPI today by the time you guys are watching this. So yeah, let me do the leg 2 for the bears. Leg 1, leg 2, that was met. And then when we have a double bottom and double top, it's better to just wait for 2-bar follow through. So double bottom here, this is a wedge bottom, double bottom, triple top, lower high, double top. Wait for 2-bar follow through. Bar 49 is that. And then get short and hope for the best. I think yesterday's high was a reasonable buy if you were thinking we're in a range bound environment, but just hit out quickly. So let's think about the first 6 bars. We can go up to 8, but we had bullish price action, a pullback, made a double top, and it sold. Bullish price action, a pullback, double top, and it sold. That was the first 9 bars of the day, but you guys can start to see how the opening is very important to read. I got trapped in this range, and I hit out for like a minus. I was scaling in to try and get my price up, and I was really hoping we just had a crazy sell into yesterday's low, which is really 1 second. I measured it like this. Yeah, so I got short there, and my idea was to scale in here and then get out here, and I got trapped. I had to scale in here and here, and I got out on a bar 78, and now it looks like it could just go down. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if we'll still hold the EMA. We've been trading higher for a while now. Doesn't look too good. Let's see one thing. This was the last time we touched the EMA. 9 days. It took 9 days for us to touch the EMA. Wait, are we? So no, we touched the EMA here, and that's 8 days. Tomorrow makes 9, or if we touch the EMA here. So maybe in a couple days, it'll be interesting to see if this trend line holds. It's been holding up for a while, but all these pivot points are already printed before I drew the trend line. So we have to see if it actually holds legitimately. Hope you guys had a good one and checking out all the videos. I dropped the 3rd chapter Let me know what you guys think of taking these breakdowns from a 6-bar perspective, market cycle, and then 2 legs. That's pretty much all I'm going to look for in how to trade. If it's late in the market cycle, it's more of a trend. It's more of a range, so it's buy low, sell high. If it's an early breakout in the market cycle, it's a with trend trade. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out those videos. These breakdowns of the blue book are really helping put the market cycle together. I recommend you guys read the blue book, check it out. Hit the sub button. I drop these every day at 3 p.m. Thank you for your support and all the comments. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.